In Can Ho, Vietnam, premium birds' nests are carefully harvested and cleaned, preserving every precious nutrient. Birds' nests in Vietnam are proven to have a very high nutrition. Our meticulous process combines traditional craftsmanship with state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring purity, taste, and the essence of health. In Ontario, Canada, premium ginseng is grown under ideal conditions rich in natural vitality and health-enhancing compounds. Ontario ginseng is trusted by markets worldwide. Known to help boost energy, support immunity, and reduce fatigue, it is a truly treasured gift from nature. Our premium formulation is completed with another essential ingredient from Japan, Wellnex Collagen Di-peptide by Knitted Gelatin, a global leader in collagen research and innovation. This next-generation di-peptide collagen offers up to 30 times higher absorption than regular collagen, a huge difference. The combination of 3 premium ingredients has created our product with benefits. Good for bone and joint health, promotes beautiful skin, and helps delay visible signs of skin aging. Supports the immune system, aids recovery, and boosts overall vitality. Supports brain function, promotes restful sleep, benefits lung health, and for more. The product is also committed to not containing preservatives, colorants, or additives. Health, nature meets science for wellness.